Welcome to this comprehensive guide on installing Windows 11 on an unsupported PC, transforming your older hardware with Microsoft's latest operating system. Many older computers lack the strict hardware requirements, such as TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot, officially needed for Windows 11. Before we begin, ensure you have a reliable internet connection, a USB drive of at least 8 GB, and a complete backup of your important data. First, navigate to Microsoft's official website to download the Windows 11 ISO file, which is essential for our installation. Next, we'll use a tool like Rufus or Ventoy to create a bootable USB drive, incorporating the necessary bypasses for unsupported hardware. This step is crucial as it modifies the installation media to circumvent the official hardware checks during setup. Once your bootable USB is ready, insert it into your unsupported PC and restart the system. Access your computer's BIOS or UEFI settings, typically by pressing F2, delete, or F12 during startup. Here, you may need to disable Secure Boot and enable CSM if available to ensure the USB drive is recognized. Set your USB drive as the primary boot device, then save and exit the BIOS/UEFI configuration. Your computer should now boot from the USB drive, initiating the Windows 11 installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts, selecting your language, time, and keyboard preferences. When prompted, choose Custom, Install Windows Only to manage your disk partitions. Carefully select the drive where you wish to install Windows 11. You may need to delete existing partitions to create unallocated space. Once the installation begins, your computer will restart several times. Allow it to complete these processes without interruption. After the installation, you'll be guided through the initial setup, including creating a user account and configuring privacy settings. Finally, ensure all your drivers are updated and run Windows Update to download the latest security patches and features. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Windows 11 on your unsupported PC, extending its life with a modern operating system. While this method works, be aware that future Windows updates might occasionally re-enable hardware checks, requiring similar bypasses. Enjoy the enhanced performance and new features of Windows 11 on your previously unsupported hardware.